Oh, baby.
Hey!
Oh, this is terrible.
Autre chose, cette tactique ne mène à rien. À chaque fois, il se débrouille pour se reconstituer et moi, je suis...
Yes, my favorite team won!
Non, attends, je suis encore en état de me battre. Je ne suis pas fatigué. Je t'assure, je vais bien.
Okay.
Hey girls, watch my
A
moves!
gray sedan, probably the most popular sedan in the world, are gray. Oh, yeah.
Spinning, spinning, spinning!
Yay!
Yes, my favorite team won!
Yeah!
Oh, this is terrible.
I hope everybody is having a fun time! I'm so excited to have our first girls' night out!
Okay.
Let's shred some cheese.
Whoa! Hey, you!
Alright, time to eat! We're on a seesaw! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Yeah!
Thank you very much!
Attack! Yeah. Hello. After a hard time training unsuccessfully, we should use the final method. It's psychic form. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a phone with these two scarves and very long rope. I wonder how the results comes. To know the results, let's get our hands on. This is our result. The rope's very long. I wonder if the phone works or not. Let's try it with Sarah. Now I will try it first. Hello, hello. After putting the cup near to Sarah, I will hide somewhere to talk to Sarah. I will sit next to the bush here. Now I will show Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Yeah, I'm here. What? Where are you now? I'm near to you. It turns out the sound comes from this cup. I can't hear any sound now. I will follow the rope to find Diana. Let's go! I shouted very loudly, but why didn't Sarah reply? Now I will yell back loudly to make Diana startle. Hello! Sarah, where are you now? Ah, you're here. I'm looking for you. You make me startle. I don't want to show you a little bit, but it's so funny. I have an idea. We use a cup to make something big and gorgeous. Wow, it's a great idea. Then this our result after a very hard time. Now we are going to play a game. We'll throw the ball in the cup. Who make more cups collapse will be the winner. It's our first round. The distance so far. How can I shoot the ball correctly?
Wow!
Clearly, I look at the way, but all the cups other side are collapsed. It's Sarah's turn. Diana very excellent in the first round. If I wonder if I could do well or not, now I will focus on the pink and blue cup. Whoa. I had to very carefully, but why not one cup falls down? Maybe I'm not lucky today. Because your grace and one both bring and blue cup falls down, but you couldn't. Now it's my turn again. I will focus on the pink cup. This time I done not so good, but okay because Sarah didn't make even one cup fall down. It's my turn. You're so stupid. On consideration of our relationship, I will let you throw the ball. Who makes more balls for that will be the winner. How couldn't it fall down? I'm sure it will make all of those cups fall down. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Sarah, I made more cups fall than you. I'm the winner. All the cups are full. After fighting for a long time, and Sarah is the winner. I'm exhausted. Let's make 2 walls with the cup here and we will stay inside it. I must be very careful with all the work. So we already have made 2 walls. Bomb couldn't destroy the wall, but a wind can make it fall down. Sarah says bomb couldn't make the wall fall down, but I will use my power to make it collapse. It doesn't work, so I will get closer to the wall. Closer. It still doesn't work. I will move closer and closer. And the last time. And the last time. Sarah, let's see how strong I am. I ran out of power. I had to use the last method, the original method. It falls down. It's my turn now. Open your eyes and watch me. It doesn't fall down. Doesn't work. It still doesn't work. Now it has to put harder. But why the wall still doesn't fall down? After a very tough time, we had to use the last method. It's psychic form. Wow, she makes all the walls fall down.